Hello and welcome to NN Driven. Tonight I am driving around the Washington, D.C. Beltway in an effort to see if the defeat device error I've been getting has been solved. Today I received the third minor update since receiving version 13.2.9 only like a week ago. And so I suspect / hope that they're trying to figure out why that defeat device is happening. Anyway, I'll go around the Beltway. I'll have the camera running in case this crops up. Okay, start recording. Start recording. All right, well that didn't take long. Took a mere 16 miles for the defeat device warning to show up. There you go, so it's not solved yet. You notice I was just driving along, nothing big, came into traffic and all right, we're out of that traffic across the bridge. We are now about almost 45 minutes into the drive and about 20 miles or so, we've had the one disengagement or the one defeat device warning. The defeat device warning only seems to happen on the interstate. It doesn't happen on side roads, city streets. It doesn't happen even really on rural roads where you're going like 50 or 55. At least it hasn't happened to me. It's only the interstates. Okay, there we got the, touch the steering wheel, pay attention. I was looking over at this Tesla beside me, but I didn't get the defeat warning that time. But that's been happening. Sometimes you get that and when you are obviously kind of looking away, but then other times it just pops up seemingly out of the blue and then gives you the defeat warning. So there we are. That's the second warning now. We would have about three or four of these to get a strike. So that's 2 in just over an hour. Yeah, and I think I just have, yeah, there you go. So that's the second defeat device warning 2/3 of the way or so around the Beltway. So it's clearly not resolved. Notice we were just driving down the road. We just got out of the fast lane. Yeah, so I don't know what's going on there. Something really weird. We did just sort of hit a bump. I don't know if that has something to do with it. I don't know if, the car had just gotten aligned. I don't know if that has something to do with it. I don't know. I have never experienced this in 5 years or more of using FSD. It's just a really odd warning. All right, we've been on the road about an hour, 45 minutes, a total distance of about 75 miles. We've had 2 alerts. If we had one more, we would start being at risk of a strike. That seems to be better than what it was in the previous point reversion. But 2 is still too many. It should never occur. I've never had it occur before. So there's still something going on. That was in just about 24% of the battery. So there's no way you could get through a nice long segment without getting a strike if there's that many device warnings in just 75 miles.